Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Yeah, it's getting a little bit boring now on the chart, obviously, but we had quite an interesting week so far. Also, last week was fairly interesting because it feels like we're making some progress on the chart. I mean, we've been waiting here for this wave 2 correction really to play out for a little while, and so far we see this movement now and the follow through to the downside deeper into the yellow support area as Ethereum is working through its wave 2 correction after we had the 5 waves to the upside here of the June low. So we had 5 waves up and we were waiting for 3 waves down. My view is we have completed already an A wave, a B wave, and we could be following through in the C wave to the downside. Other interpretations are possible, but this is my primary. Other interpretations were possible here, where to place the wave 1, but it was worth to just go with the flow and just stick to our primary scenario so far. So yeah, we had an A wave down, which likely bottomed on the 17th of July. The B wave was very weak, but likely topped here on the 20th of July. Also here, very choppy price action. Certainly other interpretations possible and valid, but I see it as an A wave complete, a B wave complete, and the C wave might be unfolding now. The problem is that in this C wave, as you can see, we have very, very choppy price action. Here, wave 1, wave 2. The correction was a flat structure. Then the wave 3 was a little too short. So I have to consider the idea that we're dealing here with an ending diagonal, so that the wave 3 isn't even finished. This was just the A wave of the wave 3, which was here yesterday's low. We are now working on the B wave of the wave 3 and will come down in the C wave, then a wave 4, then a wave 5, likely also in a 3-wave move. So that is why, I can't remember if I did it already in the last video or if I just shared it on Discord and Telegram, but the idea was that we're now in a B wave, and therefore I lifted resistance up a little bit all the way up to 1888. Then we've got the golden ratio at 1877. They are key resistances here for the B wave. It shouldn't really go above 1888. If it does that and then also breaks above the descending trend line, then we might already be dealing with a breakout to the upside, but it's too early to confirm that at this stage at the moment because we are moving up in a corrective way. You can see it here. There's a lot of overlap here. Very choppy price action. I would expect at least one more low. Again, I cannot rule out that the 3rd wave already finished here and this is just the 4th wave. I cannot rule that out, but it makes it more likely at the moment, due to the choppiness of the move and also how high we are going, that this is the B wave of the wave 3, so that the wave 3 is still unfolding. But yeah, be ready that when we make one more low, that could be it. It doesn't necessarily need 2 more lows here. Yeah? So I'm watching currently, first of all, this resistance here, 1868, 1877, and 1888. And then on the way down, if we get one more low, 1830 is support. There's a bit of a cluster here of support areas, 1828 and 1823. Below that level, I've got 1781, which is the golden ratio. You can also see that Ethereum is also coming down here, not only to Fibonacci support deep in our wave 2 correction or support area, actually also coming to here these previous swing lows, so they can provide additional support as well, and that's all around the 1830 level. So very, very important support structure here. But I think we're going to continue to see here some choppy price action until tomorrow. Tomorrow is Fed day. The interest rate decision tomorrow, that will certainly shake up the market a little bit, and the prices will generate some volatility. I would never take price action too seriously on a day like that. We need to let the dust settle to get a really good understanding about the trend and any changes. Yeah, but not much more to update here at the moment. I think tomorrow is going to be an interesting day. Until then, we might not really see much price action, but I will keep you updated. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.